G'day, if you're a builder or a carpenter, then stick around because I've got a new product to show you. It's called Easy Prime. It's a pump action paintbrush which will get you out of trouble when you don't have any paint lying around and you need to seal the ends of timbers, or for in my case, sealing the bottoms of doors. That's one little job that always gets missed on a building site, where if the carpenter or installer doesn't paint the bottoms of the doors, they're not going to get done. Painters can't do it. And if the builder doesn't know about it, there'll be a call back in 6 months when the door's swelling, touching the ground or whatever. It's just one of those things where having a little stick filled with paint, and you can just apply it easily and then stick this back in your toolbox, it'll save a lot of pain and grief. Being a pump action paintbrush, you're probably wondering, is it refillable? Well, absolutely it is. I'll run you through it. I'll just unscrew the top here that holds the brush. That's easy to clean, by the way. You just run it under water, just like a normal paintbrush. And inside, you've got this canister with a spring-loaded squirter. So you can unscrew the lid on that and put the paint inside. And the kit comes with a syringe, so there's no mess when you're filling up. The cap goes back on. Once it's all together, the paint's pretty much airtight, so it should stay fresh for a long time. It's so handy just to put back into your toolbox, and you'll never be without primer paint. This is the Easy Prime paint pen filled and ready to go. What I like to use is the Zinsser 3-in-1 primer paint because it's acrylic and fast drying. I can get 2 coats on the bottom of a door dried within 30 minutes. The sample I've got here is a blockboard door with the end grain showing, which can be the top or the bottom. And that's the part that sucks in most of the moisture and absolutely needs to be sealed. I'm going to demonstrate how good this is. First, you've got to pump the top here just to get a bit of paint coming through. Careful to start with. As you can see, it's pouring out there. Rub it round and just squirt as much as you need. You don't be shy on the end grain, you need a lot to come out. Rub it in all round. Careful not to drip it off the sides, like a normal paintbrush. And 1 coat isn't enough, you need 2 at least. It's not messy at all, it can be quite neat. There you have it.